What has changed about investing in the market since you left in 1990? What has changed?
Well, I think there's a lot of this computer-driven things, where people buy stocks for a second and own it for a second. I mean, I think that's a waste of time. I think it's disruptive. On the positive side, information to the public is so much more available today. When a company releases their numbers and they have a call, it's open on the web to everybody.
Right.
All the information. We used to wait for the mail to come to see what Nike's inventories were like. We find out we get in our library in the first class mail. So all this information. So the investing for the average person now is much clearer. They know the same thing as I do.
Yeah.
They all this. You don't want to invest in a company whose balance sheet is they got $8 billion in debt and they have no cash and they're losing money. That's a terrible combination. You get all the information now. So information is a lot better than it was a long time ago.